Welcome to Campus Melbourne, the hottest co-living hub in the city that's calling out to all you free spirits. Embrace your independence in one of the sleek studio apartments that come complete with everything you need, including a comfy bed, a chic study area with fresh decor, seamless tech, elegant furniture, and your own personal bathroom. In addition, the property also offers a state-of-the-art gym, a co-working zone, a luxurious swimming pool, a breezy barbecue deck, and a beautiful garden to relax in. Located just a 14-minute drive from Trobe University and a quick 20-minute drive from RNIT University, you'll never be far from your studies. Plus, the property is well connected to public transportation, so getting around Melbourne is a breeze. When it's time to unwind, head to Stolberg Restaurant and indulge in their mouth-watering Atlantic salmon and Caesar salads paired with chilled beers. And on weekends, take a trip to the Immigration Museum to learn about Victoria's unique history, or hit up Sandridge Beach for some fun in the sun. Book your stay today through amberstudent.com and embark on an unforgettable journey.